Hi guys, so this is another birthday challenge entry and this is from Ursula, and Ursula is Arctic Glam on Instagram, but I will link her in the description bar. And fun fact, Ursula was my first swap partner ever when I first started swapping last year. She was my first assigned swap partner that I did in a 4th of July swap. So hey Ursula! And she gave me this super cute bow bag. Oh my gosh, I've never even seen this. It is adorable. And okay, let's open it. Ursula is like the queen of packaging. P.S. She's so good at it. Like, I remember when I got her package, I was like, I literally just threw all my stuff in there. I didn't know what to do. and her stuff was so pretty and so special. She's just the sweetest ever. Okay, so this says Lisa. And look at this little, this cute little strawberry in the back. And look how cute. Oh my gosh, it's strawberry themed. How adorable is this? Oh my goodness, so cute. So she says, happy birthday, congrats. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed birthday as well as continued success on your YouTube channel. Crafty Hugs, Ursula. So yeah, so this is her, I'm gonna link her, but it's Arctic, don't forget the C, Arctic Glam on IG. And she just gave me a bag full of goodies. So let's get into it. So there's this 1,000 Wishes. This is like a YouTuber, a crafty YouTuber must, because this is gonna go right next to my desk. So like, because I always like rush and put hand cream on right before I do these videos. Ooh, what is this? Be Fresh Hydrating Lip Serum with jojoba oils and ceramides. Okay, I'm definitely gonna use this. Cherry Bomb. It's lip care done different. This looks good. Okay, okay, definitely gonna use that. Oh my gosh, you guys! This is so, are you kidding me? So this is a holder for hand sanitizer. I have never in my life seen this, and this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. First, oh my gosh, it's just like a little girl's jelly slipper. Okay, fun fact about me, obsessed. I'm obsessed with babies. I love like real life babies, not pictures of babies, not stickers, actual children. I'm like the person that's known for like, like if we're out somewhere, I'll just like take someone's baby and then just like hold the baby the whole time. Like if we go to like a party and somebody has a baby, it's like, give me your baby, bring your baby over here. Not in a scary way though. Well, maybe in a little bit of a scary way, but usually I know the parent, sometimes I don't, but as long as they give me permission, I will take their baby and hold the baby the whole time. I'm like a baby hog. And this is so cute. I have this little girl that I'm currently obsessed with. And I barely know her mother, but my niece like babysits her sometimes, and I love her so much. And this was like a little shoe that fit on her little fat foot. She's so cute. Okay, anyway, sorry guys, I go on forever. I love babies. Okay, this is a hand. I'm gonna use. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is gonna bring me joy literally every time I look at it. And then, ooh, Ursula knows that I love pokey tools. Oh my gosh, I love pokey tools. They are my favorite crafty item. I love a pokey tool. And look at this gorgeous pokey tool. And I'm in need of switching out the pokey tool that I'm using. So that is perfect. And of course, because she's the queen of packaging, look at all this fun stuff at the bottom that I can use. So cute. It's a mini one. Oh my gosh, Lacey, the cheeky bum, made me a mini. Look how cute this is, you guys. Oh my goodness gracious. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. You know, a mini pokey tool really is all you need, because it's like, you know, it's small enough that like it's not too small, you know, where you can't hold it. How stinking cute is this? OMG. And then look, oh my gosh, it has a face on it. It was cute from this direction, but guys, when you turn it around, look at this adorable coffee straw topper. Oh my gosh, the cutest thing ever. And then look at these lollipops. Yummy, yummy. And then, oh my gosh, a ring pop. This is cute. This is so cute. This is just so cute. It's just so cute. I cannot. This is so adorable. So it's like one of those old school pens that has all the colors. It's so cute. And then looky here. Oh, a jumbo charm for a bag. This is for your bog bag, which I do have one. Or any bog equivalent, you know, like even if it just looks like that and it has the little stars and it says beach life. How cute. And then look at the pom-poms. Adorable. And okay, wait. The pink lollipops are for you and the green ones are for your boys. Oh my gosh, Ursula's so sweet. I'm so glad I found this sticky note. My boys are going to be thrilled. I'm going to give this to them right now. They literally asked me. They're the gourmet flavored kind, but I forgot what the flavors are. Haha. So fun. funny. Okay, so fun fact, I just told you Ursula is my first swap partner. When she sent me her swap, she sent like this taffy, and I had never had like taffy from that brand before, and it started my like obsession with taffy. So now I may become obsessed with these lollipops. Let's see. The pink ones are for me. Okay, thank you, Ursula. And I will give these to my boys. They will love them. I'm gonna give it to them right now. And I do have 3 boys. Oh my gosh, that is so sweet. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, you made my day. Truly. And anyone that like thinks or considers my babies, it has like the fast track to my heart because I'm obsessed with them. Ursula, thank you so much for all of these fun goodies, and every single thing here I can use and will use. Thank you, and thank you just for being so sweet. You guys, make sure you follow Ursula on Instagram. She has an amazing Instagram. Like, seriously, go over there and follow her because she makes the cutest stuff. She doesn't have YouTube. I wish she did, but she doesn't have YouTube. But her Instagram is like very active and really fun, and she's always hosting all kind of fun like one-on-one swaps. So if you're wanting to get into swaps, one-on-ones are the way to go at first, because then you only have one partner, you know what they like, you can talk to them back and forth. Like, it's a little less scary than the group swaps where, you know, you have to send in, it's going to be on YouTube and it's a big old thing. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.